This is just a short video to introduce the STS-Pi Robot, which I've recently bought from Pimoroni, and in particular to highlight that the bracket that I've 3D printed, which goes on the back, which I'll be making available via Thingiverse or from my website for anybody that wants to download it. While you're here, it'd be great if you could subscribe to my channel, and you'll find out about my other maker activities, including Raspberry Pi, Arduino and 3D printing and design. The STS-Pi comes in kit form. It provides the base, the two motorized wheels with the motors, the one omnidirectional wheel at the front, and a mount for a camera. It doesn't include the Raspberry Pi or the Explorer hat that is also needed to control the motors. In this case, an Explorer Hat Pro. One thing it does include are some brackets to hold a battery. These are designed for a cylindrical USB battery that you normally use for charging mobile phones. I didn't have one that was small enough to fit into these brackets, and so I had to design my own, which I've 3D printed. As you can see, the battery is held hanging off the back with a battery holder that I've 3D printed out of blue PLA. The battery holder has been designed for this particular battery, which I already had. It could use a similar size battery, and there's the ability to wrap Velcro around if you need to secure it in place, or potentially if you've got a larger battery you can place it on its edge. The way this is designed, it lowered slightly so that leaves two USB sockets free if you need to plug in something like a keyboard. In this case I'm using this RII small keyboard, which is quite useful for controlling the robot. The battery holder is created in FreeCAD, and I'll make available both the FreeCAD files and the STL file if you want to just send it straight to your 3D printer. And here it is driving around. You may notice there's a slight tendency for the front end to pick up when accelerating away at full speed. It's not too bad with this battery, but if you put a larger battery you'd have to counter that with some weight at the front. It is actually balanced normally, it's the action of the motors pushing forward. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that useful. Please subscribe to my channel, Penguin Tutor, on YouTube to see more maker activities. And you can download the files direct from my website or see the links in the description.